Hey all, it's Millie. I know it's not my typical post day, but that's exactly what I want to talk to you about. Why am I posting today and how I plan to double the value you all receive here on my channel. So let me put my camera down before my arm falls off and let's chat. Let's chat in PJs. First of all, I'd like to announce that starting today, I will officially be posting to my channel twice a week. This is something that I started thinking about last year, and with the new year, my team and I put together a plan so that I can realistically keep up with this new schedule. So, ta-da, announcement, woo. Now, what does this look like for you? Because what's in it for me, Millie? What's in it for me? What does this mean for you moving forward? Wednesdays are my talking head educational videos. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. This will not change. You will still be getting weekly goodness from me. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Now, in addition to that, Sundays are fun days. Still educational, but way more relaxed. Something that was really bothering me about my educational content and talking head videos was that I wasn't really able to show much of my personality. I mean, I did what I could while still trying to be professional, but when I think back to when I originally started this channel, it was kind of fun vlog style stuff, which still mostly resonates with me. Now, Sunday videos will be either Instagram audits, day in the life / business vlogs, and collaborations with other creators. There's really 3 reasons that I'm able to post this often now. First, I kind of already touched on, I have an amazing team that is helping me manage all of my social media platforms so that I don't go crazy. 2, obviously all of you who watch and support my channel and have been supporting my channel over the past few months. And finally, brand collaborations. Working with amazing brands to sponsor my videos so that I'm able to invest in and support my team frees up my time so that I can record more videos for all of you. So for our first Sunday sponsor, I want to tell you all about a social media scheduler tool called Metricool. This is one I'm really excited about because literally one of the most common questions I get asked is, how do I schedule my Instagram posts? How do I schedule my Instagram posts? And I got lady, I love you, but you're really loud. Metricool is one tool to run them all. You can do direct scheduling on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the things. They're even working on a TikTok scheduler, which y'all know I'm gonna be the first one in line for that. Something that's important to me is making sure that we're using tools, and I'm recommending tools that are cost effective for small businesses, influencers, social media managers, and agencies. And it's just that, it's cost effective. You can get a premium membership starting at $12 a month with their annual subscription. If you're somebody who is like a die-hard analytics person and you love studying your analytics, their dashboard and PDF reporter is chef's kiss. I really hope a lot of you find joy in using this tool and find it helpful for you and your business. If you want to try it out, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can register, and you can use the code ModernMillie for a 15-day free trial. In today's video, I will be showing you what an Instagram audit will look like. For full disclosure and clarification, I do not offer audits. I don't. You can't go to my website, slide into my DMs, and request an audit from me. The audits that you will see posted to my account, these are audits that are all offered to my students, and they have given me the permission to post these videos to my channel as a learning opportunity for all of you. I'm super excited to show you more of my life and the daily behind the scenes of my business in a more even authentic way than before with these added videos every week. So without further ado, So without further ado, here is your first behind the scenes Instagram audit. With this audit, I was teaching the basics of setting up your Instagram account so that you can ultimately increase engagement and land collaborations. Hi, Precious. Welcome to your Instagram audit. We are just going to jump right into it. I'm going to share my screen and you're going to be looking at your Instagram profile. All right, perfect. So I've already forgot all my mental notes. Okay, here we go. First thing that I look at with Instagram audits is the username, profile photo combo. I know with your form that you filled out, you had stated that, let me see. Okay, you want to increase engagement and land brand collaborations. And then here it looks like your niche that you're trying to target is nutritional needs. With the past posts, I noticed this was a kind of personal profile that's transitioned to a more professional profile, wanting to become maybe an influencer or educating other people on nutrition, weight management, diabetes, and other health related issues that they might be having. So, with that being your niche, I'd love to see that be more apparent in these photos, or in this photo, in this duo. Miss Chinwe, you can absolutely keep that if that's like what you want people to know you as. However, if you want people to know you as maybe your name or Nutrition with Precious, making the username more on brand, that's definitely an option that you can do. If you want to keep the username, then definitely update the profile photo to show your professionalism as a nutritionist. I think this photo is beautiful. It's perfect. Of course, I'd love to see one where you're smiling at the camera, making eye contact with the camera, but this one, like, you're glowing. So definitely could be a good placeholder for your profile photo for now. Now, okay, so I pulled up some other profiles that I'd like for you to take a look at. You might even have some that you follow already that you're like, oh, I look up to this person. I want my profile to be like this person's. But I pulled up these two profiles for you to look at and learn from, because these are micro influencers. They have under 50,000 followers. So I think your first goal would be to hit 1,000 followers, and then 5,000 followers, and then 10,000 followers, and then maybe 20,000 followers, 25,000. So I think these are good profiles to look at right now to see how you can start to grow to hit those first milestones before looking at big accounts like ones who have 1 million followers that talk about nutrition. These are great ones for you to kind of see how you can learn from them. For example, her username and headshot go hand in hand. Food, body, peace. Makes sense. It's that it's like health, nutrition, and then the profile photo is professional. And then here, the blood sugar nutritionist, makes sense. Her target audience, she helps people lower their blood sugar levels with diabetes specifically. You can see the keywords in her nameplate: diabetes, nutrition, lifestyle. It's very clear what she's going to talk about in her Instagram page or on her Instagram page. And then if you want to be known as an influencer with your face being your brand, then you can leave your name in the nameplate with other target words like dietitian or professor. So with those things in mind, how can we update your profile to show that professionalism and to have you appear as an expert in your area or in your niche? So definitely updating the profile photo. I've noticed how they have whiter backgrounds or lighter backgrounds to help with like the contrast of like light in the background. And then she's wearing like a darker shirt and she has dark hair that gives a good contrast. Even here with Maya, she has dark hair and that's contrasting the white background really well. So I think that might be a good little, okay, maybe I could take a headshot in front of a wall, like literally my house wall. It's white back there. So headshot, establish a username that you're like, this is what I want people to know me by, or this is explaining my niche, and then your nameplate. All of this is in the Modern Influencer as well, so I don't want to go too deep into it since I'll be giving a lot of tips in the Modern Influencer. So giving keywords here, maybe dietitian, diabetes, nutritionist, those would be good keywords since they're searchable. And then instead of listing off the topics you talk about how it helps them. And by them, I mean your target audience. You want to know who you're creating content for. Who are you creating content for? Who do you want to help? Is it men, women? What age range are they in? What are they struggling with? What do they need help with? How can you give value to them? So say how you can give value to them with these topics. Let me see. So here, the blood sugar nutritionists helps lower blood sugar levels. So helping type 2 diabetes and pre-diabetes lower their blood sugar levels. And then we have Maya. I help you ditch diet culture, end food guilt and body shame, build body respect and self-love. So instead of listing the topics she's talking about, she's listing how she helps her target audience or what her target audience will value and gain from her. So that's next. And then with your content, I want you to notice people love seeing you. People love seeing you. I notice anytime your face is in a post, people are all about it. That's when you get the comments. That's when you're getting the likes. That's when you're getting the engagement. So how can you incorporate yourself more in your content? I know creating like getting ready and creating like these perfect photos can take a lot out of you. And so that's why I've been tending to lean more towards reels, because all I have to do, I get like, it's the same amount of effort, but I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to go out and shoot. I just stand in front of the wall and then stand in front of my bookcase and then stand in front of my desk. And I'm like, record. Okay, next video, record. So I'm able to batch and get through content a lot quicker when I'm doing reels. If you're struggling with what type of reels you should create, I would, again, look at people in your niche, look at the reels that they're creating, see what is performing well for them, see what people are commenting on. So not just the plays, but what has the most comments. It looks like this video has the most comments. So it's like, okay, what are people talking about in the comment section? Let's check it out. So people are like, yes, this is good. This is good. So confirming this is a good topic. So maybe you could turn this into your own post. You could do carousels, Canva graphics. That's how I don't have to take pic. I don't like doing pictures all the time. So whenever I can make a Canva graphic or whip up a reel real fast, that's what I'm gonna do. So I tend to lean more towards this feed preference where it's like, okay, mostly graphics that are educational. So I don't have to always be taking pictures. And if you're somebody who's like, I don't like taking pictures, then focus on this sort of content where you're providing value through these graphics and try to replicate the format of these graphics exactly. And I don't mean copy. Let me say that again. So if you notice that these graphics aren't performing as well, look at other people and say, okay, I'm noticing this girl, she's sticking to the same colors. She uses the same fonts. So I want to stick to the same fonts. And it looks like this one performed really well. How can I create this image in Canva? And instead of saying your food, body, New Year's resolutions, maybe I could phrase it somewhere else. Maybe I can give other tips with this same template. So you're not going to copy the content, but you just recreate the template because it's a proven template that works. I hope that's making sense. Okay, there's definitely more that we could get into, but I don't want this to get extremely long. Right now, I notice your two focuses. You want to increase engagement and land brand collaborations. I think you need to first start with the basics that a lot of people, they usually on my course or in other courses or in YouTube videos, they're like, I don't want to pick my niche. I don't want to define my target audience. I don't want to pick brand colors. I just want to make money. You can't make money without the basics. The basics are the basics for a reason. It's because they work. So I need you to start with those basics where you're learning your target audience and you're learning how to provide value to them. Because once you do that, the engagement's going to come naturally. You won't have to try to increase engagement. It's just going to happen. And then once that happens naturally, you're going to start to grow naturally. You don't even have to try. You're just adapting the strategies and you're just using the strategies and boom, you're magnetizing your target audience. And then once that snowball starts, boom, brand collaborations. So instead of trying to land brand collaborations now, hone in on those basics, establish those things, and naturally everything else is going to follow. I'm not going to say without effort, but with effort on the basics. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know over in the Facebook group because these emails get sent by my VA, so I don't see email responses to this video, but let me know in the Facebook group if you have any questions and I'll see you there. Bye. Alrighty, y'all. Why is it so hard to say alrighty, all? Okay, I'd love to hear your thoughts about the audit down in the comments below. Comment something that you learned or something you're excited about this channel when it comes to moving forward. And I want to thank you all for watching and supporting my channel every week. I will see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye. Lady, I cannot. Bye. Bye. Alrighty, y'all. Why is it so hard to say? Alrighty, all. Okay, I'd love to hear your thoughts about the audit down in the comments below. Comment something that you learned or something you're excited about this channel when it comes to moving forward. And I want to thank you all for watching and supporting my channel every week. I will see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye. Lady, I cannot. Bye. Bye.